Hi guys, my name is Anastasia. I'm a Vanderbilt trained health and wellness coach, and today's video is going to be very short. It's sort of impromptu. I just got back home from early dinner with my husband, and something that happened throughout the day kind of made me think, maybe my viewers might benefit and relate to whatever I'm trying to convey. Today's video is going to be on catching yourself on being off balance, and at the same time being proactive on taking some steps to bring that support and balance back in your life. I want to ask you this: how do you know, and by the way, do you notice what are the signs in your body or maybe your mind that tell you that you are in balance and you're off balance? I can tell you, for example, about myself. My day started today at 7 a.m. with therapy. And for any of you who can relate and who can feel my pain after therapy, because it is a lot of mental work, with healing, you need a little bit of support for yourself after. So I felt that, I don't know, like anger, sadness, some feelings were coming up, and then I'm like, okay, something is off. Let me balance it by going for a walk. And so I went on my 1 hour walk run combo. After that, I started working on finalizing details of my first group coaching program that actually starts on May 18th. And it was a couple of hours of intense mental concentration. And so I noticed that I started losing focus. I started maybe like looking at my phone instead. And then I was like, you know what? Maybe I can nap. And I took a nap to restore, and it felt so good. After that, my son came home, and he's a teen, and so it could be challenging. If anyone who have teens, let me know that it's not just me. I know it's not, it's very normal. So we did some laundry, we talked about some things, and then I still felt that something, just like it was something strange in my body. And so to restore that balance back, I invited my husband to go for a dinner, and we went for some steamed clams, and it was delicious. And now I'm back, and so that's what prompted this very spontaneous video. So to sum it up, key aspects for imbalance, a lot of ways can come up through maybe some lack of self-care awareness. Maybe you're neglecting, you're working too much, and then you're not taking breaks, and that maybe you're not engaging in your hobbies. And another part of it is lack of focus. When you want to concentrate on a task, but instead you like scrolling through the phone, through the Facebook, on Instagram, at the end of the day, like, what happened? What did I do? Where did my day go? And on top of it is that talking negatively sometimes to yourself. In my program, I will bring to your awareness some practical exercises, how to divert that energy back to yourself. And on top of it, you will not be feeling guilty about spending that energy and time on yourself. Just imagine how amazing it would feel in your body. I'm so glad that you understand that living the balanced and thriving life is a top priority, yet it should not be forced. It should be a slow process, and so please take the time to make any changes that you're bringing in your life. I'm here for support. Feel free to ask me any questions. I'm always so happy to hear from any of the subscribers, non-subscribers, viewers. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next week.